Student, I am your host Ariraj and you are watching this. The SMTP or Simple Transfer Protocol is any other protocol that will almost certainly encounter as a web developer. After your web application has been built, you will need to communicate with your customer through email. Email management and setup can be quite complex, especially when your email list exceeds thousands of subscribers. There are many options available when configuring email clients in server. It's important to thoroughly understand the email exchange process before diving into this complex and intricate area of development. SMTP is the standard protocol for electronic mail or email transmission. Let's explore the chain of events that occur when you send an email from your favorite email service provider to your intended recipient. It's important to note that there are two types of email exchange scenarios. First, the sender and the receiver are exchanging email originated from the same domain. So, for example, Jane at gmail.com is sending an email to Joe at gmail.com. This is known as local mail delivery. In the second scenario, the sender's domain is different than the recipient. For example, Jane at gmail.com is sending an email to Bob at yahoo.com. In this case, the email is transmitted externally or outside of the local environment. Depending on the type of email exchange, the path to delivery will be quite different. We will start with local mail delivery. In this case, the sender sends the email from his or her workstation, either through a web-based mail service or from a locally installed email client such as Microsoft Outlook. Either way, the email is sent to the outgoing SMTP server that resides on the email provider servers. In this case, Gmail. The SMTP server has a variety of tasks. It checks the data packets for header information. As you might recall, the header information in a packet contains the sender and recipient of the packet. The SMTP server would determine this email is intended for local mail delivery because the originated email domain, Jane. A gmail.com is the same as a recipient joy at gmail.com. This is done by separating the first part of the email from the email extension and the comparing results. The SMTP server would easily determine that they are both Gmail accounts. In this case, Jackmail's outgoing SMTP server would hold the email internally in the email storage. This is until Joe connects to the server and downloads the mail waiting for him. The email are downloading using the POP3 protocols. This protocol is responsible for transmitting stored email messaging to the designated recipients. The top 3 server typically requires authentication such as the username and password to connect and download the email message in the storage. If Joe is using an email client and downloads the messages from the top 3 server, the messages are transferred to Joe's computer and deleted from the server. The top 3 server is not ideal for the recipient who may use multiple computers to download their email messages. Some businesses opt to use an IMAP server to handle email storage instead of POP3 with IMAP email messages stay on the server even after they are downloaded by the recipient email client. So that is the end of the video. I will see you in the next video.
गेट साइटमेंट को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबा दें ताकि इस जैसी अपडेट्स आपको मिलती रहें।